Okay, we're starting another cart program out of aluminum. Here's a telescoping mast, almost done. Next we're going to cut this plate into a circle. This was a test we made. We made a jig for the bandsaw to cut circles. First we cut this plate over here on the chop saw, a 1/2-inch aluminum plate. And then we're going to go over to the bandsaw. That's another project we just did, was made a router table. Little hole in the back is for a vacuum cleaner to suck the dirt out. And here's our bandsaw with this jig. This thing slides in and out so you can adjust where this peg is, which would adjust the size of your hole. It's got a little stop under here, and you set how. So we've got it set as 7.5 inches because we want a 15-inch circle. So now I can give Rupa the camera and go get the plate. Okay. There we go with the plate. Now we haven't used this yet, so this thing slides on the table there.
What do you do?
It's like putting an old 33 record on the... Now the saw seems set about right.
No oil because of the rubber on the thing, right?
Okay. Yeah, we like to use aluminum when we're cutting, or use oil when we're cutting aluminum. But we can't put oil on the bandsaw because it's driven by a rubber wheel that would get pretty destroyed if we put oil on it. Okay, here goes our test. We're just sliding it in until it hits the stop. There, we just hit the stop. Now we can start rotating. Seems like it's working pretty good so far. This isn't even a good blade. One bad tooth, we're getting a little noise there. Uh-oh. Think we broke the blade. We were going to get a new one. Either broke it or it came off the track. Maybe it just came off. Let's hope. Alright.
Pause.
No, that stopped. There's no pause.
I didn't touch anything.
Oh. Okay, we're still videoing. So, anyway, we got to reset our blade. This is the aluminum that's going to make the spokes. We cut a notch. And this will be the center of a 5-foot wheel. Our cost of aluminum's gone up a bit since the tariffs. These pieces here we got from remnants pile where we pay by the pound, and it's up 40 cents a pound. So it looks like this project may cost about $1,000 more than the last one we did because the aluminum. So much winning.